you are.
Okay, John Sloat, Jon Sloat, Public Information Officer for the Santa Rosa Area CHP. And today we got a call approximately 10:30 of overturned big rig on Adobe Road at East Washington Street. We responded and found a North Bay sanitation truck that's overturned. Apparently, what we're looking at right now is it was northbound on Adobe Road, unknown speed, probably around 50 mile an hour. That is the speed limit here. Did not see the stop sign, saw it at the last minute, locked up the brakes, skidded through the stop sign, overturned and struck a light pole.
Comment on injuries or anything?
Driver had minor to moderate injuries, some lacerations on the arm, and some leg pain on the side in which it overturned.